Good evening, everyone. It's 10:21 p.m. Before I do my charts for the night, so let me make a quick video on OCO so that you know how to use it. It's very simple, but it's very powerful, especially the people who are working full time and don't have a time to watch the market and still wanting to trade. There are a few benefits of OCO. The first benefit is it works the best in a absolutely one-sided market. So when the market is one-sided and moving up, one direction, it really works the best because or the limit that you're going to sell, you're going to put here, it's going to happen. It's going to hit. So it will be easier for you to make money. In the volatile market, it's tough. So you can use multiple order also. So let's say when you look at the algo levels and you see the put levels and cause levels, and based on a trigger, you can make the decision on which one you want to go with, which one you want to use it in the OCO order. I'm going to walk you through a different setup here on the OCO. So listen to this carefully and practice before you um, go full-fledged on it. And I always recommend to start with one contract till you feel confidence and level that you build. Then you can, you know, go with different options. So right now, just start with one, and I'm going to show you Microsoft as an example. So, and it's advisable to have at least 4 or 5 days time left on the option trading and never do it for 0 DTE or 3 days to expiration. You need time on your side when you do this. People don't recommend this. I do recommend this is because if you do it without having time on your side, you are most likely you're going to have the stop loss early. And for that reason, it's going to be a problematic for you. So the stop loss could go hit early and then you lose money before you made any money. So always give yourself the time. So first, we're going to review one more thing here before I go any further. So we're going to review my algo channel here, and we're going to look for the Microsoft trade that I placed yesterday here. So you see here, this is the Microsoft trade, and I said here, trade idea, 3:30 call for 12:31 and 3:35 for January 7, entry 328, first target 330, second 330 to 50, stop loss 30%, right? So you saw what I wrote here, right? So I'm going to take this away. And now let's say we're looking at 330 here, okay? So we wanted to take the 330 trade. So I'm going to click on here, go to buy, and then go to OCO bracket. Once you do that, it will be right here. First, since I'm doing only one, I'm going to reduce this to 1 and reduce this to 1 also, because I'm going to sell the what I have. Make sure it's same. If you have a margin account, it can negatively impact. So always remember. So you saw what I did here. I click on 330 call here. Okay, I'm buying it right here, the call. So it's right here. It's a call. So it's a call right here. Make sure these things are perfect. 330 call. Now, the thing is, it's already moved today. So the price showing different. But let's pretend that the market has an open and Microsoft is at 327. So you want to pick up this call when the price is 328. So I'm going to move here. And you see, as I'm moving this, you see the price at the bottom is changing. So you see I'm moving a little bit further. Look at this. Okay. One more time. So this is now 328. So I placed here 328.02, contract price is 315. So I'm saying buy Microsoft as per my level. When it's hit 328, option price would be around 315. This does this calculate automatically. You don't have to do this. You can just say 315 is the price when this hit. So let's say it hit, right? Now, as per the algo channel, it says the first target is 330, okay? So this is the sell right here, okay? Sell when the price is 330. So as you see, I'm sell at the so you see I'm moving a little bit here. So sell at the price first target 330. So I'm moving it here, and you see as I move here, this also move. So I go here and make sure it's 330. So it's almost 330. Let's say let's keep 330.50. So buy Microsoft when price is 328, you see at the bottom. Sell Microsoft when price is 330, automatically calculate. Now the stop loss is 215, right? So what I said about the stop loss, I go to Discord right here, stop loss 30%. So 315, 30%, you know, it's about 90 cents down. So let's say this is the perfect value. So if the Microsoft deep below 326.97, this will get just cut off automatically, which is right here. But let's say you want to have a more conservative target because market is choppy. You're going to go back here and you're going to just say, let's say 326.50 is the price that you want to set right here. So boom, and then you do, and then you confirm and send. When you do this, it will save in your phone also. It will show you the same thing in your phone, and you can have these things in your phone so you can cancel it if you want to on the open market. The best part is if the price move, you don't have to worry about it. If the price doesn't move, it will fill automatically. Now, Discord says, AG said there's another one that he's looking at 335 call. So I go here, click on a January 7, 335 call right here. I'm going to click here, buy OCO market. Same thing. It will come back here. Make sure you change from 10 to 1. So you can do multiple orders, not just one. Now, since you're learning at the first time and you're doing this for the first time, I will recommend that you go slow and then, don't buy more than one or two unless you have practice. Do not try this for Amazon, SPX, Tesla, or any other company. It's going to work, but the problem is the contract price is very expensive. If you have $100,000 account, yes, you can try SPX, or let's say $20,000, $30,000 account, you can try one of them, but you have to be very careful because they fluctuate so much, and sometimes your stop loss can trigger quickly if the level is not there. So it's very easy to use. You can do all the things night before when I upload the algo channel or before the market open, and it will execute based on it moves. You can do put, you can do calls exactly at the level. Your trading going to be so stress-free. I use it all the time. Sometime you have seen me saying on the Discord, let's go Amazon, let's go this, because I have those levels set night before, so I don't have to worry about it. And what it did give me profit automatically. It opens the position, close the position, everything just does simple and easy way. So I don't have to use my brain. I don't have to worry about where my stock going to be. I use the level, and those levels are perfect. And whenever they hit, I never have to worry about it. So guys, this is an important one to understand. If you have any questions, you can DM me. It's pretty simple video. I'm not going to put too much content into this. Again, you can do this for any company with a 3-digit price, because the option price is not expensive. You can try for Netflix, but most likely Google, Amazon, it's not advisable. Netflix could be a good one also, because when Netflix move, it just move on that level, and by the time you want to hit that level, it never triggered. So either you lose money or you just don't take the trade because it moves so fast, and then you try to catch something, you lose more money. So always remember, use the OCO. Again, we'll do one more, and then I will upload the video. So this is the let me do target. So you see the target, right? Small account, big account. Now there's a rocket sign. So there's a new thing. I have different theory and statistics that quants that I study, which predict big move. Again, when I say big move, doesn't mean it's tomorrow, but within few days, it's going to happen. So I'm looking at target right now. You have the rocket symbol. You have the rocket symbol on LRCX. It's the wrong symbol. Sorry, LRCX. It's also. So let's say we go here and put target. And then once I have the target there, I said resistance 220, 280, 220, 390. Trade idea 225 call, 1231. Loto 230 to 50 to 1231 or 17. Entry price is 220.80. So I'm gonna go with 7, right? And I'm gonna say 225 call for the January 7th. So January 7th right here. This is the 225 call. I'm gonna buy the custom order, which is right here. And it said entry above 220.80, right? So I want to buy the one call, but entry should be above 220.80. Of course, the price going to change because the price is one. It's expensive. It's lower, but when I say 220.80, the price could be around. Let me say 2.10. Yeah, let's say 219. So we're gonna put 219, 210, right? When the price move 210, this is gonna be the price approximately. So 210 by 5, or let's say 1 target, right? And then this is also 1. This is also 1. So 210 price when the target is 219.26 by the one contract for January 7. Now we're gonna go into Discord again. And you see here, first target 220 to 90, and the next target is 235. So I want to sell this. So I'm going to come here. It's 223.80, right? 28. But let's say 220.90. I said, okay, right here. So I'm going to sell it for $3. Stop loss, right? I said stop loss is 30%. So you can do the math and you can do a stop loss based on the price here. So if I'm going to come here, 215.68 is a stop loss. That's too aggressive. So I'm going to put here 1.50. So the stop loss be around 217.20. This will help you. You can send the order now and it will start executing when target hits certain price. So that way, if you're not watching, right, and you don't have a time and you're busy, it will automatically get executed and then do your stop losses. Again, you want to try this for a couple of days to see how your P&L is going to set up. You need to watch it. Also be careful, but you have everything set up. And it's not like that when you're going to do this, every position going to be in a loss, but at least you're doing automation here, which is easy for you to trade. And then the profit just going to come based on the levels. When it breaks certain level, the stock, it does go to certain level. There are times where it doesn't go and something happened, but that has to be in news or some kind of big event. Then it's a different story. Otherwise, it doesn't happen like that. And so easily, or, the news only comes 1% of time, 90% of time, 99% of time is the technical level that the market follows. So you understood now what the OCO is. If you have a question, leave that in the DM section or DM me, and then we'll talk more about it. Thank you so much. I hope that you find this very useful. Give me feedback. Thank you guys for your support and love. Have a great night.